Hello friends, welcome to CyberSocks. In this video we are going to talk about loops. Yes, the much awaited video of loops. Wondering, is this dangerous? No. Loops are very simple my friend. I will tell you clearly, loop is very easy. After this video, you will understand it very clearly. You should have heard. Loops means repetitions. You are doing one task repeatedly. Now you are wondering what does it mean? We mean if you want to do the same task again and again in succession, you can just tell the loop do this to me. Like you want to step 5 times, then you can just tell the loop take 5 steps, then loop do the 5 steps for you. You don't have to take the step by step. Let's see the example in our game lab. Let's head to our game lab. Type code.org, click on new project, click on game lab. Let's take an example. Let's see. We want to take 4 steps. We will printing like step, 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 step. We want to take 4 steps, then we have to write the code 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we hit run button, as you can see, we are taking the steps. Now you wonder, you are only taking 4 steps. Then it is easy to write 4 blocks of code. But what about 1000 steps? What about 1 million steps? What about 1 billion steps? Are you going to write these blocks? No. Then we will call our loop. The zero, our loop. It is while loop. This makes our life very easy. You have to remember 3 things for loops. First, we will initialize the value from where we want to start the loop. So, we will declare a variable. Yes. Let's remove these console logs. And declare a value to, let's say 0. Let's name it num. Second step in our while loop. After writing the while means our loop, which means we are repeating the task. We will set the condition. Yes, when the condition is right, the loop will execute. Means all the code inside this while loop will execute until our condition is true. If condition is not true, then we will not execute this block of code and we will break out of the loop. We want to set a condition. Let's take less than equal to block and assign it here. On the left side, it will always the value that we want to compare if it is less than our right side value. Write num, because we want to check if our num is less than 10. On the right side, we always write the value from which we want to compare our value. Now our block of code. We will write step. Yes, we will taking the step here. Now always remember in while loop, after writing these block of code, what you want to do, always make a increment or decrement. What does this mean? I mean always decrease or increase this variable. Remember, after writing these block of code, always declare increment or decrement. What does this mean? Increment or decrement means increase the value of our initialized variable or decrease the value. In this case, we want to increase the value because we want the loop only run 10 times. If we start from 0, increase our value, after running 10 times, it will break out of the loop. Yes. So we'll be increasing our value. Here, what we are increasing? Yes, our num variable. Let's increase it by 1. We are increasing our num by 1. Let's reset and hit run. As you can see, we have stepped 10 times. Now let's recap what we have understood so far. You have to remember 3 things. First, always initialize a value. Second, write the while keyword and make the condition. The condition is true, the while execute the code inside it. If the condition is false, the loop will break out it. And our third point, always initialize increment or decrement of our initialized variable.